Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be showing you all how to get this crimped hairstyle. And this was requested by Emma, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I wrote her the other day and told her I wasn't going to be able to film this till the next couple of weeks because of other requests I have out there. But then I started to think about it and I just got so excited that I decided I would do this video. And also, this is the first time I'm filming in the flapper room. I hope you all like it. It's actually my guest bedroom, but I'm just going to go ahead and classify it as the flapper room. As you all can see, my hair is all natural. It's definitely going at its own will. It's kind of going crazy in the bang area, but let's go ahead and begin. And for my crimper, I'm going to be using Vidal Sassoon, and I purchased this at Walmart, and it was really cheap, a really good price, but it's definitely worked for me. To start, I'm going to pull half of my hair back with this clip. And since my bangs are all crazy, I'm going to try to pull them back as well. And then I'm going to take the bottom half of my hair and split it in half and just put both sides on both sides of my face. And you want to take the crimper and get as close to your scalp as you can. And I like to hold this for 10 seconds. And once you're done with the first crimp, you want to take the crimper and just come down to where the last crimp stopped. And when I do the end, I like to have it barely coming out of the device. Get a really pretty curl. If you go up too high, it kind of makes a funky end. And as you all can see, this is what the curl looks like when you go to the end of the hair. And see how there's a gap right there? I'm just going to take my crimper and re-crimp that area. Now I'm going to take this Aussie Instant Freeze and spray this in my hair and scrunch. Now I'm going to take the hair that's pulled back and half it into two sections, and I'm going to take the bottom section and pull it down with my crimped hair. And then I'm just going to split both sides and bring both sides to the front. And now I'm just going to use my Aussie Instant Freeze again. And now I'm just going to take the rest of my hair down. And now I'm going to spray for the last time. And this is how I get my crimped hair. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for future videos and have a wonderful day.